Here's our bathroom fan, exhaust fan. Now that's a loud fan. Let's see if we can't fix that. Just unplug the fan. Okay. Guess that wasn't in there too good.
1 hour later.
Now that's a quiet fan.
So I did a little bit of research and I found out that a 1.5 sones fan is about the loudness I was going for. 80 CFM would work just fine. And I found this HomeWorks bathroom fan on Amazon. It came in a day and it looked like it would fit just fine.
So we got instructions. This is the bezel or cover. Some mounting screws. And the fan. And this is the connection to the vent. So this is 7 5/8 by 7 2/8. And the height is 6 inches.
My hope was I'd be able to fit this new fan in, well, remove the old fan and fit the new fan without having to access the attic. Even though there was room up there, I have 2 other fans that don't have room, and it'd be really important to be able to get the old fan out, put the new fan in from the bottom, from accessing the bottom. As it turned out, that wasn't the case. It was very difficult to get the old fan out because it was nailed to the joists in a way that you couldn't really get to them.
First, unplug the fan. Okay. Guess that wasn't in there too good.
So let's take this vent off.
There's a nail right there. I should be able to pry this.
I've got the new fan in, held by 1 screw here, and the height of that screw keeps the fan right about there. I just have to put the other screw in and bring it level. So I brought a level somewhere. Let's get the fan level and get it screwed in on the other end. So we'll put the level right there. It's magnetic, which is kind of nice. And now I've got this freaking pipe in the way is the problem. Okay, let's get the fan on those screws. Okay, and check my work. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. How do we look here? Just want to make sure, once this clips on, that I think this goes like that, and that goes like that. Yeah, that'll look real nice. Okay, off again. We're not quite done. Of course, it won't reach, so I'm gonna have to extend this Romex. So I have a piece of Romex now that's going to extend my wiring, and looks like I need to straighten these out. That looks like true white. Okay, another Wago. For the black clip, and clip, and finally the ground. Okay, and that end's connected like that, like that, and black goes in like that, and then ground goes in like that. But next we need to put the vent on. That's a 4-inch duct that goes on the fan, and I've got a 3-inch to the vent. So I need a reducer, a 3-inch to 4-inch reducer. Let's go get one of those. Now that's a quiet fan.